Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Hibernian home shirt for the 25-26 season, and this shirt was purchased from bestzv3.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. And as you can see, 6th of August 1875, and then we've got that down there as well. This is a centenary shirt, which does look proper smart. I will leave a link to bestzv3 in the description of this video, along with a DHGate link to my usual seller as well, enabling you to look at their items. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side, it does have the standard health warnings that we see all the time. So if you are new around here, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you have any comments or questions, by all means, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, the seller is bestzv3.com. Also, if there's any shirts you'd like me to look at in the future, please do let me know. So what we'll do now is we'll get the bag open and let's have a look at this Hibernian home shirt. Hibs, Hibernian, whatever you want to call them, for the 25-26 season. Okay, we'll start at the front of the shirt. And we've got the standard sort of ring neck collar. Got some loose little bit of cotton up there, but nothing to worry about with that. Joma, that is embroidered in, but you do have it on the sleeve as well, which is heat pressed on. There's a big old crease through that, but once the shirt's been worn, that crease will come out. And there is one on this side as well, and again, you've got the crease through there, just from where it's been in the bag. The Hibernian badge, that is really quite big. It's really large. My concern with that would be it's going to rub on you when you're playing. It does look nice though. It would have been better, I think, if this one was like a heat pressed on badge or something. The sponsor, that is lovely and smooth. And you've got Hibernian FC 1875 to 2025 in there, being a centenary shirt. Really nice that is. But again, it does look quite big if I zoom out, so I don't know whether that is the right size or not. And at the bottom we have the original product, and that is heat pressed on a little label. To put my hand through it there, you can see my fingers through it. So the material is a shiny sort of glossy sort of material, very lightweight and quite see-through, but nothing really to worry about. That's just something on the material there. I thought we had a white blob. But there's the front of the shirt. Let's take a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're onto the reverse side now. And you can see that loose cotton that we were talking about there. Look, actually when you put it around it is quite long. But yeah, a pair of scissors will soon sort that out. Got a heat pressed graphic just there. No name or number on this one, it's all left blank. A fair few creases though, again, in the material, just where it's been in the bag. If I hold it out here, you can see now relatively how see-through the shirt is. The hemline at the back, all looks fine. Up onto this sleeve, all looks okay as well. No issues there. We do have the neck support around the reverse side. There's a little mark there on the sleeve, but I imagine that will come out with a quick wash. But there's the reverse side. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, we're now on the inside. And the stitching around the collar line all looks okay. And here's that Hibernian badge that I was mentioning about. So yeah, we've got a lot of this old card, a lot of stitching. You're definitely going to be wanting to wear something underneath your shirt if you're wearing this one, because that is going to rip your body to shreds. Joma, that's pretty much the same as well. You've got some of this loose little card there. If this card doesn't come off, my recommendation is just to put some lukewarm water on it. If you do that, it'll peel off nice and easy. Stitching all around the arms look okay. Likewise on that side, all looks okay. We do have a tag down the bottom here, which is our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip it inside out and do it on a hand wash setting. never ever tumble dry them or iron them, to be fair. If you're going to iron it, you can put stuff over it like a couple of towels or something, but in all honesty, I find just letting them hang dry gives you the best outcome. And I've still got shirts, I've said it a fair few times now, that since I've been doing this channel, I've got a fair few shirts that are still in really good condition. But there's the first part of the inside done. Let's take a look at the other side. And here's our final part of the inside of the shirt. So you can see that neck support band that goes around there, and then you've got the date of the 6th of August 1875, size XL. Now this is much more of a fans version, so the size is quite lifelike. You've got the tag XL football shirt. Just got these random tags that they put on there. Oh, there's a QR code there as well. Got some excessive cotton going on there, but nothing again to really worry about at all. Joins under the arm all look fine, and because it's green, if I push in, you can see the outline of the badge just from where it's been in the bag and it's been pushed against it, but yeah, not see-through at all. There's the final part of the inside of this shirt finished. And there we have it, our Hibs centenary shirt. Hibs Hibernian centenary shirt for the 25-26 season. And this shirt was purchased from zvbest3.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. Let me know in the comments what you think to this one. Do you like it? I do. I just think the sponsor and the crest look rather large, but yeah, apart from that, I think this is a lovely shirt, a really nice one. But yeah, let me know what you think to it as well. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. All information to zvbest3 in the description, along with a link to my usual DHGate seller, so you can take a look at their items as well. As we take a final look at the Hibs 25-26 season shirt. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.